Guys, today we are going to solve for x. We are going to solve fractional equation. Right. Look at the first one. 3x over 8 is equal to 5 over 6. You can see that is a fraction. That is also a fraction. Whenever you solve any linear equations with the fractions, please cross multiply. When you cross multiply, please multiply this way first. So when you multiply this one, you have 6 times 3x. Put that equal sign, then you multiply this way, 8 times 5, that is equal to 40. If you see a fraction, cross multiply it. So, or we start from that side, 6 times 3x, we have 6 times 3x. 6 times 3x, we have 18x, that is equal to 40. Right, can you see that number before x? Because 18 times, when you take it to the other side, we have 40 over 18. If you want, you can simplify it. So that became, remember they are multiples of 20 divided by 9. So you can just leave it as 20 divided by 9. X is equal to 20 divided by 9. Okay, let's look at the second one. You may get a cheat question or a merit question from this one, from this topic. X plus 1 over 2 equals 3 over 4. Can you see this one? Left hand side is a fraction, right hand side is a fraction. So we are going to solve for x, so cross multiply. So cross multiply. Cross multiply, always start from this way. That means we get 4 bracket x plus 1 and put that equal sign. You multiply this way, 2 times 3, we have 6. Now open the bracket. 4 times x, we have 4x. You multiply this way. 4 times x is 4x. Put that plus sign. 4 times 1, we have 4. That is equal to 6. Alright. Then the next step, you can see we are solving for x. Keep the term with x on one side. This is the only term with x. Keep that 4x on one side. Then you take that number from here to the other side. Plus 4 became minus 4. 6 minus 4. 4x is equals to 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. This one is 4 times. When you take it to the other side, that became 2 divided by 4. Times became divided by 4 to the other side. Simplified, we get 1 over 2. Don't write answer is equal to 2 because the real number is in the denominator. So this will be 1 over 2. Okay. Number 3. 2x over 3 equals 4x plus 3 divided by 5. We can use the same method. Left hand side is a fraction, equal to right hand side is also a fraction, cross multiply. Multiply this way first. 2x times 5, you have 10x. Put that equal sign. You know why we cross multiply? To get rid of the denominator. That's why we are cross multiplying. Then you multiply this way, so please put them in a bracket, 3 bracket 4x plus 3. Okay, open the bracket. 10x is equals to, there is a bracket, please open it. 3 times 4, we have 12x. Put that plus sign. 3 times 3, we have 9. Right? Now you can see x on both sides of the equation. You take all the x to one side. What I'm going to do, I'm taking that x from over to this side. So on the left hand side, there is already 10x. Remember, look at the sign before 12x, that is plus. When you take it to the other side, that became minus 12x, that is equal to 9. 10x minus 12x, that became minus 2x, that is equal to 9. Okay, minus 2 times. When you take it to the other side, 9 over negative 2, that is the answer. Or you can write it as x is equal to minus 9 over 2, the same answer. 4x over 3 plus x over 5 equal to 2. Guys, be careful when you do this kinds of question. Can you see the one fraction plus another fraction? So what we are going to do, we are going to simplify that left hand side. We are going to write those two fractions as one fractions first. We are going to simplify that fractions first. fraction 1 plus fraction 2, we are going to simplify it. Okay, now look at the denominator. We have two different denominators, and denominators are different. We are going to make them equal. What we are going to do, we are going to times them together. 3 times 5 is equal to 15. That is a common denominator. All right, then cross multiply this way. X, 5 times x, we have 5x. Put that plus sign. 3 times x, we have 3x. Line to the other side as 2. Remember, these two fractions, we are going to simplify. We are going to write it as one fraction. Because of the denominator, there are two different numbers. We are going to make them as a common denominator by 3 times 5. That is a common denominator, 15. Then simplify the numerator. What we do, 5 times 3 is 5x plus 3 times x, that is equal to 3x. Add the numerators, 8x over 15 equals 2. Can you see that is a fraction? The other one also we are going to write it as a fraction. Then we can cross multiply. Always multiply this way. 8x times 1 we have 8x. 15 times 2 we have 30. Okay? Then 8 times. So when I take 8 to the other side, that became 30 over 8. Simplify it. Then 15 over 4. Over 4. Then you can leave the answer as a fraction. Your 1.2 algebra workbook, page number 26 and 27 for today's work. Thank you.